welcome to Zee Commodity Capsule. Oil prices have managed to edge higher slightly on Thursday after Ukrainian attacks on Russia's oil infrastructure, signaling potential supply constraints and stalled peace talks that have tempered the expectations of a deal restoring Russian oil flows to global markets, though weak fundamentals continue to limit the gains on the top side. Brent crude prices are hovering close to $63 a barrel, while WTI crude edged slightly above $59 a barrel. Fitch Ratings on Thursday cut its 2025 and 27 oil price assumptions to reflect the market oversupply and production growth that is expected to outstrip demand, while ANZ sees oil prices below $65 a barrel in the first half of 2026, while they expect oil prices to end 2025 at around $62 a barrel. Precious metals have dipped on profit taking. Gold is hovering close to $4,200 an ounce mark on Thursday, which is slightly off its recent 6-week high, while silver has shed nearly 3% from its recent all-time high of $59.65, which it touched in the previous trading session. Both gold and silver have yielded nearly 65 to 102% of returns so far this year. The recovery in dollar index and some uptick in US bond yield is creating some pressure on both the commodities apart from the profit taking. US natural gas prices have managed to edge higher to 3-year high above $5 per MMBTU, soaring more than 60% since the lows from mid-October amid a backdrop of soaring export demand. We have seen European countries extended their shun of Russian natural gas and confirmed the complete phase out of Russian LNG by the end of 2027. In fact, the latest EAI data from United States of America showed that utilities unexpectedly withdrew nearly 11 billion cubic feet of gas from the storage in the week ending November 21st. Copper prices are hovering close to their life high both in Shanghai as well as on London copper. We saw Shanghai copper hit a record high on Thursday above 91,400 Chinese yuan a ton. This was boosted by a sharp rise in the London Metal Exchange warrant cancellations that signal tightening supply outside of United States, along with increasing bets of Federal Reserve rate cuts. While on LME, we saw copper prices touching a record high above $11,500 a ton on Wednesday itself. Copper found support after LME data on Wednesday showed fresh net cancellations of 50,725 tons in the warehouses in South Korea and Taiwan. With this, the on-warrant copper in LME sheds to the lowest level since July at around 105,000 tons. Last but not the least, Malaysian palm oil prices fell for second session on Thursday, pressured by weaker edible oils in Dalian and Chicago markets and expectations of rising stocks.